Hey guys, it's Stratton Brown. These are the 3 skills you need in order to create a 7-figure company and make 7 figures consistently over time. Let's dive in. But first, go smash that subscribe button and let's go from there. The first skill you need to develop is sales. And when I say you need to develop sales skills, sales is the heart of all businesses. And when I say sales, right, I mean, everybody doesn't want to be a sleazy slime ball, but sales will make you a lot of money. If you are looking to make more money in life or anything you do, you're selling. You're always selling your kids. You're always selling your wife. You're always selling somebody on something. You're selling yourself, right? So remember that. Sales skills are going to change your life. Number 2, we have marketing. This right here, what I'm doing right now is marketing. Marketing can be done all sorts of ways, right? So social media marketing, regular marketing, direct mail. We own a hybrid call center. Whatever type of marketing you do, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, learning how to actually market and write copy, you will never go broke again. But with that, now you can, now you can market, you can sell. And then the third one is leadership. And when I say leadership is going to help you grow your organization and show all those other people who have those skills. And once you show all those people how to do that, you can lead them to go into the direction you want to go. And so when I say leadership, I need to be able to lead everybody and cast the vision and get all of our team members bought into what we're doing. So I will, at a point in time, no longer be selling. I'll be selling the vision to the company. I'll be marketing the vision to the company and to future employees who I want to come work with us. And then our HR team will be selling them on how good of a company we are. And then I have to lead everybody and develop more leaders inside of that company to do whatever we are doing, right? So let's say we are a company and that sells phone cases right here. So I need to be able to market the phone case. So I'll get on social media, get on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and talk about my phone case, do some funny ads, market it. And then when people come in, I need to be able to sell them. If it's high ticket or anything else, I got to sell them online, or I need to be able to write copy that sells them to buy. And then I can do that on my own for a long time, right? I can do that on my own, and you may be able to make 7 figures, but then you're doing everything. And that really sucks. And so that's when that third skill, leadership, comes in. And with that leadership skill, we can paint the vision of what we're doing. You know what we're doing? We are creating the best phone case in America, so no one else has to pay Apple again, and they never have to buy a new cell phone because their cell phone stays in such good shape. And I help them make the amount of money they want to make. I help them spend more time with their family. All that other good stuff, that all goes inside of leadership. But those are the 3 skills you need really to develop. Those are the 3 skills of business. In my personal opinion, I think leadership is number 1, and then sales and marketing are somewhat hybrid, right? But those 3 skills, if you learn those 3 skills at a high level, you'll never go broke again, and you'll always make 7 figures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comments. I'd love to hear feedback. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.